Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through exactly how to add custom code like JavaScript, CSS, or anything else to your Webflow project. If you've ever wanted to push your site beyond the built-in features, maybe to add some animation, a tracking pixel, or a special script you got from a tool like ChatGPT, then stick around. By the end of this video, you'll know the right way to embed your code so it works perfectly and safely. Plus, you'll understand why these steps matter and how they affect your whole website. Okay, let's dive right in. For this tutorial, let's say you have some custom code you want to add. For example, maybe ChatGPT helped you write a piece of JavaScript, or you've got a snippet of CSS you want to apply across your whole site. Got your code ready? Great. Now, the first thing you need to do is head over to your Webflow dashboard and then select the project where you want to add your custom code. Don't worry if your site's already published, that's totally fine, you're not going to break anything. Just make sure you pick the right project, especially if you're managing multiple sites. Next up, on the left-hand menu, click into your project settings. This is kind of like popping open the hood of your car before you work on it. You're getting access to all the behind-the-scenes options that really control how your site works. Inside your project settings, you'll see a tab labeled Custom Code. Go ahead and click on that, here where the magic happens. Webflow gives you two main areas for custom code, the head code section and the footer code section. Now let's pause for a second. Why does it matter where you put your code? Well, anything you place in the head will load before your site's content and is often used for things like CSS styles, Google Analytics tags, or scripts that need to run immediately. On the other hand, the footer section is perfect for JavaScript that interacts with your page content, since it waits to load until the rest of your page is ready. If you're ever unsure, you can usually check your script's instructions, but this general rule of thumb will keep you out of trouble. Alright, now just paste your custom code right into the appropriate box. For this example, I'll paste in my demo code from ChatGPT. It could be a chunk of CSS like custom fonts or colors, or maybe a JavaScript function that creates a fun hover effect. As you paste it in, take a second to review, double-check you included all opening and closing tags if it's HTML or script code. Little mistakes here can cause head-scratching issues later, so don't rush this. Once you're happy with what you've pasted, scroll down and click the Save Changes button. It's a simple step, but this makes sure everything you added is locked in. Now, one important thing to remember, updating the custom code here affects every page on your site. It's super powerful. For example, if you placed your code in the footer, every page will load that script at the bottom, without you needing to repeat these steps for each page. This saves tons of time and helps keep your code organized in one place. And that's it. The moment you publish your site again, your custom code will start working like magic, exactly where you placed it. If you don't see changes right away, try refreshing your page or clearing your browser cache. It sometimes takes a moment for everything new to show up. So now you know how to add custom code in Webflow like a pro. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and drop a comment below if you ran into any issues or if there's a script you want help with. And don't forget to subscribe for more Webflow tips and other how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.